Ever wondered who you can trust to keep your home or business powered and safe? Today, we're journeying into the electrifying world of electrical services where the stakes are high, and choosing a reliable provider is not just a choice, but a necessity. Enter J.L. Miller Electric Inc., a powerhouse committed to illuminating your world with exceptional customer service, top-notch safety measures, and quality that shines brighter than 1,000 bulbs. So buckle up, because you are about to discover why J.L. Miller Electric Inc. is your go-to solution for all things electrical. At J.L. Miller Electric Inc., we're no ordinary electricians. Let's dive into our extensive list of services. With us, electricity is not just a job, it's an art, and we're artists in our own right. We offer both commercial and residential electrical services, ensuring that your spaces are always well lit and fully powered. Lighting up your world starts with our panel changes. We make sure your electrical panel, the heart of your home's electrical system, is always in top shape. Next up, we have car charger installations. As the world moves towards sustainability, we're here to help you transition smoothly. Our lighting solutions are not just practical, but also aesthetic. We offer recessed lighting installations, ensuring that your spaces are lit just right, creating the perfect mood. Need a new plug or switch? We've got you covered. We'll run new circuits, hang fixtures, and install ceiling fans, making sure you're always switched on and cool. But what happens when things go wrong? No worries, we've got your back. We repair faulty circuits, replace breakers, and address GFCI and arc fault issues. We also wire circuits, ensuring that your electrical systems are always up and running. In this digital age, connectivity is key. We install in-ceiling speakers and Cat5e/6 network cables, ensuring that you're always connected, whether to your favorite tunes or the internet. And we don't stop there. We also run pipe in both commercial and residential settings for new and existing circuits. We work with circuits from 5V to 480V and always prioritize safety when working with live circuits. We pride ourselves on our use of technology and the right tools for the job. This means we can accomplish our tasks with minimal disruption to you and as few drywall repairs as possible. But wait, there's more. We also install cameras for monitoring systems and will mount and help you configure them for your system. From 5V to 480V, we've got you covered. And the best part? All of our services come with a 1-year warranty from the date of service. So what sets J.L. Miller Electric Inc. apart from the rest? You may ask. Well, it's our unbeatable combination of friendliness, affordability, and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. We don't just provide a service, we form relationships. Our team is always ready with a smile to assist you, taking the time to understand your needs and providing solutions that work for you. We believe in transparency and fairness when it comes to pricing. Unlike other companies, we only charge for labor. That's right, the materials we provide for the job are at cost. No markups, no hidden fees. This means you're not paying a penny extra when we provide materials for the job, whether it's lights or car chargers. But that's not all. We also offer additional services to make your life easier. Need a camera installed for your monitoring system? We've got you covered. Require consulting services for inspections or associations? We're here for you. With J.L. Miller Electric Inc., you're not just getting a service, you're joining a community of satisfied customers who value quality, affordability, and above all, safety. Ready to power up your life with J.L. Miller Electric Inc.? We're just a call or an email away. Reach out to Keith Miller at 714-397-0352 or drop him a line at keith@jlmillerelectric.com to schedule your service. Don't forget to visit our website, jlmillerelectric.com, to get a comprehensive view of our services and what we can do for you. So why wait? Get in touch with Keith Miller today and discover the J.L. Miller Electric Inc. difference for yourself.